Welcome back, welcome back. This is the DMV Wig Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland. Below, we have a beautiful hair loss warrior here today, and she is showing us her scalp. She's allowing us to see her scalp. She told me that she received some of her hair loss back in her 50s, and it just started shedding and coming out, and also it has grew back in. But then after she received a relaxer, she believed that's when a large chunks of it came out. And as you can see, in some areas, it looks shiny. The parts where it is shiny, we believe it might, some alopecia scarring might have occurred. And also in the hair follicles, there is some raised and different circles around different follicles, which shows us it could be signs of inflammation. A lot of people may call it folliculitis. Also, so pretty much she's dealing with multiple hair loss. When you're dealing with hair loss, there can be multiple reasons. A lot of times it can be from medication that you're taking, especially if you're on any current beta blockers or any type of if you had a recent surgery, anything like that, anything that's hormonal. These things all can play a factor when dealing with hair loss. All right. We also will be performing on her a scalp cleanse. We're going to remove any sebum that is built up in her hair, any type of follicle buildup. Anytime the follicle is built up, then the products cannot properly penetrate to the papilla, which is the true growth factor agent when considering hair loss. All right, we're going to come back to you, and after that, we're going to show you after her scalp, after her treatment that she's going to get to open up the follicles, and then we're going to apply her shampoo, condition, and growth treatments. Bye-bye. Hello and welcome back. We're back, the DMV Weave Doctor. You can lean back, ma'am. Now we will be applying some of our sebum unblocker. This will help remove some of the sebum. And if you order some of this online, all you have to do is apply a couple of droplets. You don't need to overly saturate it. It's mainly supposed to be concentrated in the areas that are close to the hair loss. And then some of it, as you can see, she jumped, so it is runny. So by meaning that, you might want to use cotton to go all the way around. We're just doing a basic demonstration. Generally, when we do the procedure, we do apply cotton. But we will be preparing for a live, so we're kind of just a little bit in a hurry. So pretty much we're just going to apply that, and you can let this sit for anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. Below are images from this particular client's scoping. For more information, please follow us at mainattractionshair.com.